My brother has a business of branded company like TVC, Teleshopping Network. Now whatever the company gives them to sell, some are halal, some are haram, like music instrument and rings of fortune or according to Aquarius signs. So what should we do for that?
Sister asked a question, the brother has a teleshopping and in that the products which are musical instrument, may contain alcohol, may contain things which are haram. So sister, you should put a clause that I will not sell these products. If there are 200 products, these 10 products are haram, I will not sell it. If they say no, you have to sell it, then he has to change his profession. So what is haram? Selling alcohol, musical instruments, all these things is haram. So Islamically, he should put a clause. And believe me, if you're good in business, you can put a clause. The many advertising companies or Muslims will say that we will not make ads of alcohol. We will not make ads of banks. Fine. So you can put a clause that I can get you business, but in my list, in your other options, other outlets, no problem. In my outlet, I will not sell musical instruments, I will not sell alcohol, I will not sell these things which are haram in Islam, pork, etc. He has to put a clause. If they say no, you do it or leave it, then he has to change his profession, sister. Hope that answers the question.